We have another examples on the board. This time again we're supposed to convert octal numbers to binary. Please remember that anytime you convert octal number to binary, you're supposed to convert every octal digit to 3-bit binary number. So 4 in binary is going to be 1, 0, 0. Remember, we're supposed to have 3 bits. 3 is going to be 0, 1, 1. This is binary 3, 0, 1, 1. 7 is 1, 1, 1. 5 is 1, 0, 1. This is the solution to this problem. This is the binary number which is equivalent to 4375 octal. Let's take a look at the next problem. We have 5. Binary 5 is 1, 0, 1. Remember, we're supposed to have only 3 bits. We have 5, 1, 0, 1. We have 7, 1, 1, 1. We have 0, 0, 0, 0. And we have 6, 1, 1, 0. Base 2. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. We're supposed to convert again every single digit to 3-bit binary number. Binary 1 is 0, 0, 1. Another one is 0, 0, 1. Binary 2 is 0, 1, 0. Binary 0 is 0, 0, 0. Binary 4 is 1, 0, 0. And this is my base 2. So this is binary number which is equivalent to 11,204 octal.